Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about a few accessories which I think are necessary for PortaPack, HackRF and PortaPack if you are using your PortaPack on field, right? Outside on a field basically. So the first thing is this 3D printed case. So you must get this 3D printed case. So the what should say, it's a design fault. So over here you can see this is a knob, and we just press this knob and this PortaPack starts. So if we put this PortaPack directly in bag or anything like that, if the button just pressed accidentally, it will start, right? The PortaPack will start. So let me just turn off. So this 3D printed case protects to start this PortaPack automatically. So yeah, so you can place this 3D printed case like this. So over here you can see these are magnets. So you attach with this 3D printed case, and you have to use metal screws, right? Otherwise with PortaPack we get a plastic screw, so it won't work on plastic, right? So you must get these metal screws. So this is first thing. And I have already discussed this Bluetooth transceiver and receiver. So you can receive audio wirelessly, yeah, in a Bluetooth. So you can use this transceiver and receiver, and I have made a separate video for it. So let me just connect this as well over here, right? And then there is touch pen. So let me show you this touch pen as well. So it's very easy to change the frequency using this touch pen. So we can just type whatever frequency we want, 433, and done, and we can change the frequency like this. So this is another thing which I think is necessary. And this is OTG cable. So we get this PortaPack with micro slot. So sometimes when we are on a field and we want to charge our PortaPack, micro cable is not available. So this makes micro into C type. Over here you can see this will make micro to C. So we will have both options. We can charge it with micro and as well as with C type. So this is, I think, is also necessary. And over here you can see I have just placed this pen holder. So this is a touch pen holder. So we can just place pen over here like this. So these are my complete accessories to use PortaPack on the field. Thank you.